Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Corona De Tucson local and long-distance movers near me. Moving between homes or offices is an inevitable venture at one point or another in a man's life. The desire of everyone moving between homes or corporate spaces is to achieve a move that is as stress-free as possible. Although relocating involves a lot of pressure, you can perform a stress-free relocation with the right hands. You may have planned to conduct your move alone or with help from friends or family. This decision would most likely lead to a disaster. The best option to explore is to employ a moving company that knows how to protect your belongings. They have qualified movers and trucks that ensure every detail of your move is well organized. In Corona de Tucson, AZ, the best moving company to work with is 3 Movers. Our moving firm offers both local and long-distance moves within and outside Corona de Tucson. We work with well-trained movers, and our moving trucks are standard and well-managed. Also, the cost of hiring a moving company is an issue for individuals. Some movers charge unreasonable rates. At 3 Movers, our clients enjoy inexpensive luxury. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Corona de Tucson moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.